doing?
You made it.
I made it.
You
All
made
the way
it.
from Boston.
All the way from Boston. What's up, Boston? How you doing, Boston?
Boston strong, baby.
That's right, Boston strong. George, what do we got for him?
Boston, Brian, this is wicked awesome. How about a new car? It's the 2014 Ford Mustang Coupe, featuring a 3.7-liter V6 engine, air conditioning, and electronic stability control. It's the Ford Mustang.
Yeah, you can get lost in that car just as good as any other car in Boston. Now, this is a tough game. This is a tough game to win, but people win it, and this is how you do it. One by one, I'm going to show you what's going to look like a price of a car. None of them are the price of that Ford over there. The prices are going to increase as we go, get more and more expensive as we go. Now, what we're looking for is a price that's just over the price of the Ford Mustang, okay? When you see the price that's just over the price of that car, yell out, "That's too much." If you're right, you win yourself a brand new Ford Mustang. Brian, you ready?
Sounds good. I'm ready to shoot, Joe.
$20,575.
Keep it going.
$21,260.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
$23,107.
Keep going. Keep going, Drew. Keep going.
$24,615.
Higher. 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 We're going higher. We're going higher.
Higher. $25,810.
One more. One more. One more. We'll do at least one more.
One more. They always say one more. $27,041.
That's too much.
That's too much. They always say one more before they say that's too much, huh?
Come on.
In this game and in life. It's a Ford Mustang V6 Coupe. Rachel, is he a winner? Oh, man. It was way back here. Way back, yeah.
I knew it was too much.
Well, it's too much, but it's not that too much. You got an elliptical trainer or something? You gotta spin the wheel, brother. I'm not even gonna run it. Spin the wheel. We'll be right back, folks.